Yeah, go. Go. Hi. Hi, cutie.
Go, Grace.
And one.
What's up? You wanna go on your tummy too?
Tummy time.
But he don't move. He'll just stay there and probably knock out right now. Hi.
No, Grayson.
Grayson.
No.
What's he doing? He's not moving anymore. That was the funniest thing ever. Oh, there he goes.
He was doing it really fast too.
It's like when we don't pay attention, he does it.